Hello. Now we are presented with a question here that says, given that the tangent of a certain angle theta is equal to 3/4, they want us to determine the sine of the same angle, which they have given the symbol theta. Now here we are going to look at, it is important to remember SOHCAHTOA. What does SOHCAHTOA stand for? SOHCAHTOA means that if you want to find the sine of an angle, you will take the opposite of a hypotenuse. If you want to find the cosine, you will take the adjacent of a hypotenuse. Then if you want to find the tangent, you will take the opposite over the adjacent. Now, if we use a right-angled triangle in this scenario, then we find an angle theta, then it means the opposite of this angle, it is on this side. So the opposite here, it is the opposite over the adjacent. That's what the TOA stands for. So the opposite here is 3, and the adjacent to this angle here is 4. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse, whereby the hypotenuse is 5, the 3, 4, 5 angle relationship of a right-angled triangle. Now, in this case, they want us to find the sine of theta. So for us to find the sine of the angle theta, you will take the opposite of that angle all over the hypotenuse of that particular triangle. So in this case of ours, the opposite of this angle theta is going to be 3, and the hypotenuse of this angle of ours, or this triangle of ours, is going to be 5. So the sine of the angle theta is 3 all over 5. In the same place, they want us to use the same given condition to solve the sine squared of theta plus the cos squared of theta. Now, the sine of theta is 3/5. So the sine squared of theta is 3/5 squared. So in this case, it is going to be 3 all over 5. This one you square, then plus the cos. We know that the cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. So the adjacent here is 4, all of it all over 5, which is the hypotenuse. Then you square. Now, if you take 3/5 squared, you are going to get 9 all over 25 plus 4 squared. This one is going to be 16 all over 25. So if you add as fractions, when the denominators are equal, you just add the numerator. So 9 plus 16 gives us 25 all over 25. So it means that the sine squared of theta plus the cos squared of theta equals to 1. And that's how you do that particular sum. Thank you for watching.